Good evening, everybody. Namaste. Keep your camera on. Let's start the webinar of the yoga therapy. Chali, before starting the webinar, we have to complete the little bit prayer and just we can start the webinar after the prayer. Take your place on the mat, everybody, with the spine straight position. Softly close your eyes. Both palms should be joined. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Keep your mind calm down. Keep your thoughts and your awareness towards your body and the mind. Just think about the therapy class and the therapy webinar. Observe the posture on the mat. Observe the rhythm of your breath. Shoulder relaxed. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Om Vande Gurunam Charnarvinde Sandashita Swatmam Sukham Bodhe Nihashreyasi Janglikapyamane Sansar Halahal Mohshante Abahu Purushakaram Shankhachakra Siddharinim Sahasra Sirsham Shwetam Pranamami Patanjalim Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. All together, rub your hand, generate heat, and apply your positivity on your face, eyes, and relax. Hari Om. Good evening, everybody. Namaskar once again. Namaste, Sabiko. How's you all? All set, all fit and fine, everybody? Let me know by the chat box. And you have to use your emojis also because when you use the emojis in the webinar looks like that very lively. Hai na? So, should we start, everybody? So, myself is Niharika Jadeja. Basically, I'm the doctor in the naturopath. I am Ashtanga Sadhika and I'm the Dharana practitioner. And also I'm the yoga therapist, and since from 3 years I'm working the Shubha Yoga, basically from Rishikesh. Might be some students know me, might be some students are new to me. So before starting the webinar of the yoga therapist, everybody just let go for the introduction. I have the lots of people here. My name is Niharika Jadeja. And you have to use your chat box and put your full name, your occupation, and where are you from, and why you joined the yoga therapy classes. You have to just elaborate your info in the chat box. Come on, guys. Let me know and make this webinar very lively. Hai na? Come on, start. Come on, everybody. Deep Mishra ji, where are you from? Dr. Girish Patil, mention your location, please. Ramakrishna ji, Hyderabad. Mitali ji from Indore, very nice, ma'am. Vinod ji from Hyderabad, Vikas ji from Kolkata, Amar Shonar Bangla, very nice. Amitabh ji from Udupi, Deep ji from Madhya Pradesh. Very good. Like from all over world, there are lots of practitioners here. Vaishnavi ji from Satara, Maharashtra. Dr. Girish ji from Nagpur, very nice. Sweetie ji from Meghalaya, Northeast, Seven Sister, nice. Tanya Ji from Delhi, working in sales retail sector. Very nice, ma'am. So you are from the sales department. I'm getting lots of less response from you guys. Come on, come on. Use the chat box and let me know about your full name and your occupation. After Tanya Ji, here is the 24 participate. Dhiren Ji from Gujarat. Dhiren Ji, what you do? Yes, Bharat Ji from Ujjain is the yoga teacher in a school. Very nice. Very good. Yes, he's the businessman. Very nice. Ruchi ji from Gurugram. Ruchi ji, what you do, ma'am? What's your occupation?
I'm a yoga teacher.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Swati ji from Pune. Very nice. She's a yoga teacher. So basically, you are from the fitness industry also, right? There are lots of personalities here. Still, I'm getting yes. Umita ji from Rajasthan. She's the teacher also and the yoga practitioner. Apart from Umita ji, come on, guys. Okay. Chaliye. Now let me start the webinar. So, guys, this is a therapy class. So, what's your opinion about the normal yoga and what's your opinion about the therapy? There are lots of variation, lots of difference between the normal yoga and the therapy. Deep Mishra ji, why you join this therapy class? What's your opinion about the yoga? What you know about yoga? Let me know something.
मैं आपके यहाँ से योगा थेरेपी ऑलरेडी पहले कर चुका हूँ। वो तो लिंक
जी।
आई, मैं बोली ज्वाइन कर लेना। मैं उनको मैसेज किया था।
अच्छा
मैं
जी।
ऑलरेडी आपके यहाँ से कोर्स कर चुका हूँ।
ठीक ठीक ठीक,
वो
कोई
जब
बात नहीं सर। ओके।
पूर्णिमा मैम थी ना, तो
हाँ जी,
पूर्णिमा
हाँ जी,
काले
हाँ जी जी। ओके ओके।
था।
ओके सर,
जी।
म्यूट कीजिएगा अपने आप को, दीप जी। यस तानिया जी। Yes, Ziren ji says that normal yoga to further stay healthy and the therapy become the very healthy. Yes, Tanya ji, what's your opinion about the therapy and the normal one yoga?
So yoga is a very diverse field wherein, from physical to emotional to
Hmm.
spirituality it takes us.
Yes,
So it has multiple diversions. But when we talk about yoga as a therapy, it dedicatedly is focused on a physical health, wherein, using the yoga as a medium, we can treat the diseases or the problems diseases people are facing.
thank you so
So
much.
wholesomely, if we take yoga, which includes meditation, physical yoga asanas, breathing practices, when in totality we are dealing in diseases, yoga will help us better.
Exactly, you are correctly. So, I'm getting from response from the Swati ji. She says that about the therapeutic yoga is a more disease oriented. Very nice, Vikas ji. And other student says that like a normal yoga is a like normal kind of the practice, but when you look about the special classes, might be one best example. Someone has a varicose vein, right? So they perform the Vipreet Karni. They're doing something calf stretching and all that with the help of the lots of props and all that. Yes. Mitali ji, what's your opinion about this therapy classes and the normal one? Vice versa.
Ma'am, I'm joined this class to know the difference between yoga and yoga therapy.
Okay. Yes, Ramakrishna ji, what's your opinion about that?
Yoga using for treatment.
Hmm. Yes. So, guys, this one means normal yoga posture is a one kind of the practice only. You are practicing on the yoga mat and all that, and you are using only like a simple one, props and all that. But when you go about the therapy classes, do you have to treat the patient medicine without medicine? We say that alternative therapy है ना, वहाँ पे medicine का कोई use नहीं होता है. There are no medicine there. There are no side effects about the therapy classes. You can treat your client as a patient है ना. So from today behave like the yoga therapist. You all are the yoga therapist. You are not the normal yoga trainer or the yoga instructor and all that, right? Yes. Now, yes. Uh, Khushi Nandwani ji, please unmute yourself. What's your view about this therapy classes? Why you join this therapy? Why you look about the not normal one yoga and look about the therapy classes? Chalo, if you someone want to share your experience with me, just use your chat box or might be you can use the pop up the hand, digital hand. Come on, Ruchi ji, Mitali ji, Shweta ji. Yes, Tanya ji. Again.
So these days it's very normal that, every third person in our family or otherwise people are, getting lifestyle disorders like
Hmm.
diabetes, high blood pressure. These diseases have become so normal that every other person has thyroid in the house now. And so I feel like, if I understand disease, body and food deeply, not just my family members, but I can help a lot many people. So this is my outlook on this.
Exactly, ma'am. You're all absolutely right. Yes, Rojiji, unmute yourself and keep your camera also on, ma'am.
Hi, actually, I
Hello.
was doing some work.
Okay.
So, what all diseases we can cure with yoga therapy? And can you just tell me in this course what all will be taught?
Yeah, definitely.
And can we treat a heart patient also with yoga therapy?
Yeah, let me after some time now we can discuss about the curriculum and all that. Which kind of the disease we have to cover up, in the curriculum.
Okay,
Just give me the some time, na. But we
all
have
right.
to go for the little bit introduction. Is that
Okay,
making the very lively, ma'am?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. Introduction is mandatory. Something little bit, not more than. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
Poonam ji, what's your opinion about the therapy classes?
Sorry, I'm driving. Therapy is more disease focused, and general yoga class is more of preventive,
Hmm.
overall well-being. So I think that's the difference I know.
Okay, that's nice, ma'am. Yes, Roshan Kumar ji, what's your opinion about the therapy one? And then we can start the curriculum, right? Those who are remaining after the curriculum discussion, we can share our, thoughts with each other.
Namaskar.
Namaste. Sir, voice is, your network is free, sir.
My opinion is selection of selection of yoga postures,
Hmm.
pranayam, meditation. Each
Yes.
and every aspects of yoga is selected as per the disease
Hmm.
and the situation of the patient.
Exactly.
Suppose if a patient is weak, then we cannot give him the hard exercises, hard yoga postures.
Yes.
So yoga is not used to be as a general purpose.
Hmm.
And some yoga postures or some practices may harm to the patient.
Exactly.
So therapeutic yoga is very different from normal yoga.
Exactly, sir. Absolutely right. Yes, Vikas ji, Vikas Agarwal ji. Unmute yourself. What's your opinion about the normal one yoga and the therapy classes? Are you there for the introduction, sir? Shlokam yoga. Chalo. Now, let's me share with the curriculum details about the therapy classes. Just allow me for the 20-second and I'll share the screen with you. Just everybody mute yourself, है ना? Then we can start with the very easy peasy. Just give me the confirmation by the thumb sign. The screen is visible, guys. Let me know. And my voice is audible, Tanya ji and Tanu ji. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. So once again, welcome from the Shubha Yoga, Rishikesh. You are most welcoming in the webinar of the yoga therapy classes. So here is we go. The details are here. So guys, normal one yoga and the therapy classes. So this is the first live scenario. This is the therapy classes. The person has the lower back pain issues. So she can use the prop. Which one prop? Something foam based roller. She can't sit on the floor, and she want the treatment about the varicose vein also, something hip related problem, might be something SI joint problem. She can't sit on the proper manner, so the yoga therapist using the foam roller basically, right? So we have to use this kind of the prop, and we have to treat our client and give them relaxation immediately or might be after the certain time. Okay, chalo. This is the first scenario. How we use the props in the therapy classes. So basically, let's elaborate in the detail. What is the meaning of therapy? What is a normal yoga? Which one is the therapy classes? So yoga therapy is a very personalized, holistic approach that applies yoga techniques specifically about the posture, means asana, right? Breathing, we said pranayama, and the meditation, dhyana, dharana, each kind of that visualization practice, this kind of the thing, and also the meditation. to elevate the physical and the mental health condition. So it often very works alongside, conversation medicine to treat the chronic pain. Guys, partial pain and the chronic pain, आपको हल्का सा दर्द है and when you shoot up very chronic pain, so what we do that time? So immediately as a yoga therapist, we have to design the class as per the patient level. Okay, might be some as anxiety, might be some as the depression, might be some as the stress problem. So promoting overall well-being and the improved quality life, we have to design the yoga therapy classes. So normal yoga versus therapy classes. So most people lead nowadays very chaotic, where they have the very busy lifestyle just because of financial issues, just about the family issues and all that in this modern world. So yoga and the yoga therapy classes, the person discipline self-care practice with the long history that has gained the significant popularity, especially in today's very fast-paced environment. So meditation, chanting, prayer, mantras, ritual, breath control exercise means pranayama, bandha, visualization practice. So unselfish these fear other practices are also a part of the yoga. So here is the basic definition of the yoga. Means what is meaning of the yoga, guys? What is the meaning of the yoga? So the word yoga is derived from the word yuj, which means to tie, to unite. So yoga can signify many various things depending on the situation, from the astrology to marriage. But its fundamental meaning is always oneness, means connection, unity, liberation, samadhi. So the primary goal is to develop the balance, awareness and the strength in the body, mind and the soul. हमें सब पे ध्यान देना है. Physical body also we have to cure, and we have the other body also inside. We said that subtle body. When you practice the pranayama and the meditation, you can cure the subtle body also, guys. We have the subtle environment inside us, might be 2D and the 3D world. So the primary goal is to develop the balance, awareness, and the strength in the body, mind, and the soul also. So it serves as a tool to help the people reach a mental and the spiritual condition where they can see and the feel reality as it is. So that involves the sensory body's growth by the enabling all energy to become the very enthusiastic. So let's go for the next one slide. So, what is therapy basically? So, yoga therapy is the type of the, focusing on the integration of the mind and the body to enhance the mental health. And this form of the therapy draws on a yogic principles such as the physical yoga posture, meditation, breathing technique, and the relaxation exercise to improve for the mental and the physical well-being. So let's discuss about vice versa about the normal one, and which is the yoga therapy. So normal yoga focusing on the gentle fitness, flexibility and the stress relief for the healthy individual through the standardized, often group based classes, might be personal classes. And now our point has started, yoga therapy. So yoga therapy is a highly personalized with the clinical approach designed to treat specific, physical and the mental condition. Kind of the example, some person has a chronic pain, anxiety, might be something injury recovery case. Do we have to give them exercise? We have to use the prop. We have to use something shatkarmas there. We have to use some acupressure point. We have to use some fasting therapy there. Something naturopath remedies should be provided to the client and the patient. So adopted techniques. So let's discuss about the key differences between the normal yoga and the therapy one. So what is the goal? Regular yoga aims for the overall wellness and the fitness only, while yoga therapy aims to manage or heal. So healing is mandatory in the yoga therapy classes. Got it, everybody? Healing and the treatment is the specific alignment for the yoga therapy class. Customization. So normal yoga typically uses a one size fits all approach. When then yoga therapy tailor every session to individuals' unique needs, limitness and the health goals, right? So we have to look about the more this one, slide one. So here is the curriculum, guys. Which kind of the thing we are, I'm teaching you in the therapy classes. Basically, we are, just learn about, I'm teaching about the 22 conditions about in the therapy classes. This is the disease, list. The first one is the hypertension, like that, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, asthma, lower back pain, arthritis, insomnia, anxiety disorder, depression, migraine, IBS, obesity, sciatica, sinusitis, thyroid. Someone has a cervical spondylitis, something PCOD, PCOS, irregular period, menstruation cases, something therapy classes about the prenatal also, postnatal part, varicose vein, osteoporosis, something disease regarding the arthritis. So we can cover this kind of the disease by the theoretical one also and by the practical one also. So the classes is 8 to 9 every day in the evening, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So first half we have to discuss about the theoretical portion, and after half an hour, means 50% on the practical part. So every day we have to cover up the theoretical one also and the practical one also. Got it, everybody? So this is not the theoretical classes. I'm teaching you the yoga posture also. I'm teaching you something very unique knowledge from my side, and you can just treat your patient with the very beautiful designing classes. Okay. So let me share the other one, how they design the classes. So in the yoga therapy classes, you can use the Shatkarmas also. But apart from that, online class, we have the some limitations. So I'll teach you the Trataka. I'll teach you the, this woman procedure. Guys, anyone knows the who's the, like, which kind of the woman technique we have? Having the knowledge or not? Woman Kriya.
Yes, woman having salt water.
Yes, exactly. And how we practice the woman Kriya?
After having some warm salt water, we do
Mhm.
some spinal twist so that we can get vomiting. If we
Yes.
are not getting vomiting after hour or few hour, we will go to washroom or we will get a bowl. So we will clear it out.
Exactly, very absolutely correctly. So I'll teach you how to do practice of Vaman Kriya. Basically, we said that Kunjal Kriya in the layman language, right? So I'll teach you the Kunjal Kriya. Best example, someone is the Pitta dominant personality, those who have the server acidity, some has the Kapha conjunction problem. So they perform the Vaman Kriya at least, once, twice in a week. So they can reduce their problem slowly, slowly, slowly. So in the yoga scriptures like Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Gherant Samhita and the Hatha Yoga Pradipika, the saint and our sages and our yogacharya says that before performing any kind of the asana, we have to clear our toxins. We have to clear our toxicity by the mental also and by the physical one also. So like the neti, dhoti, basti, vaman, this is a kind of the shatkarma. But in the online classes, I teach you the three kind of the shatkarmas. First one is the vamana, second is the tratak, and the third is the, which one? It's a surprise. Okay. In the Shatkarma classes, I'll teach you. For that part, you have to just to be continued. Third one is a surprise from me. The other is we have to look about the three doshas also. So as our body is made from the Panch Mahabhuta, our body is made from the three doshas. So as per the Ayurveda principle, I'll teach you about the practical tips about the, like, how to balance the Vata personality, how to balance the Pitta personality, how to balance the Kapha personality. Because Pitta personality has the disorder of the acidity, gastric problem, and all that. So by some kind of the yoga posture, by some kind of the meditation, by the mudra practice, I'll teach you how can you elaborate and you can reduce the, discomfortness about the patient level, right? This is the Ayurveda treatment. I'll teach you in the very well manner. The third is I'll teach you about the seven chakra healing. So you can heal your client with the affirmation, with the mantra chanting, with the healing, how to use the seven chakras in the daily life routine and all that, right? Let's go for the technique. Which kind of the technique we have to use in the curriculum? Here is the list, guys. If you want to make the notes, take the pen and copy and just do this, you know making the notes in your copy. So yoga therapy sessions typically including the following elements. So first we have to start from the asana practice. So I'll design this class tailoring the physical posture for the specific health condition. Best example I'll taken from the varicose vein. So varicose vein जिसी को होता है, if someone lady has a varicose vein or the spider one, so she has to perform the Vipreet Karni. So guys, I have the one practical here. Let me something demonstrate. Just allow me for the just adjust the camera for the camera of 10 second only. Okay, just let me know. My floor is visible, Tanya ji. Where is it? Just let me check with you.
Mom, like I can see the ball and the chair, but not clearly your
Just
mat.
a minute. I just arrange. I just arrange one. I have to just confirm this. My floor is visible or not, right? Just a minute. Okay. Now let me know. Sir, Ramakrishna ji's floor is visible. Just let me know. Okay. So just best example for the practical part, guys. Might be imagine I have the varicose vein and I have the pain behind my the calf. So varicose vein is happen here in the tibial part, in the calf and the hamstring muscles. So varicose vein pain is not a normal one part, and if you reduce the pain while the asana practice, so you have to use the yoga chair. You can use the yoga ball also, and you can use the wall also. So I'll teach you how to conduct the classes regarding the varicose vein, right? This is the example one. So guys, first of all, I'm using the chair. So you can practice the Vipreet Karni Asana by the help of the chair. So might be you can guess, okay, my age is nearby the 55, and I can't practice the normal Vipreet Karni because Vipreet Karni considered as the invention asana in the Hatyo Pradipika and the Virant Samhita. But with the help of the wall and with the help of the chair, we can use the Vipreet Karni as the modification, right? So what we do in the asana practice? So you have to lie down on the supinal one in the varicose vein. So lie down nearby the chair. Okay. Take a normal few breath, 1 or 2 times, and then 3 times. You have to calm down yourself first of all. Slowly, slowly lie down on the back, right? Kind of. Then again, take a few breaths here, and slowly, slowly you have to put your calves here and softly close your eyes. And in the varicose vein, I will feel the pain right now. So if I'm using the mudra here, Vayu mudra, so in the Vayu mudra, I'm using the index finger and put it in the root my thumb. And also, I'm chanting the Omkara here. So, the Viprit Karni also performing here with the combination of the Gyan mudra, with the combination of the Omkar chanting. We say that Udgit Pranayama. So here is the designing classes with the asana practice with the combination of the mantra chanting and the pranayama also and the mudra. So the practice is like that. Take the Gyan mudra, softly put your palms on the floor, calves on the chair, relax your leg, relax your mind, softly close your eyes and take a normal breathing. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. I'm starting the Omkar chanting right now. This is only example part. Rub your hand, generate it, and apply it on your face and eyes. And softly, softly, you have to come out from the Vipreet Karni Asana. Got it? My voice is audible, guys? Let me know. Everyone? Okay, so you can use these kind of the activities while the practicing of the asana with the combination of the mudra and the combination of the pranayama, right? But guys, I'm seeing on the screen, everybody just put your camera on. How can I elaborate the curriculum with you? With a closing camera, huh? I have the 29 students here, but everybody put your camera on the off mode. Why? What is the reason behind that? Come on, keep your camera on. This is example, Swati ji. In the curriculum, I'll teach you how to do like how we go for the time management and all that, right? This is example only. Chalo, now let
I'm
me
having dinner, that's why camera closed.
Okay, okay, not an issue, ji. Chalo, now let me share the screen again. So these kind of the things I have to like I will teach you. You can design this kind of the class, right? You can modify the asana also. So this is the asana practice. Or second thing is the pranayama. So in the pranayama practice, we have to select the breathing technique that regulate the energy flow. The third technique is the mudra therapy. We say that hand gesture, something Shakti Chalan mudra also for the channeling the energy, kind of the in the mantra chanting in the seven chakra healing also. We can use the different kind of the meditation. I'll teach you the 12 types of the meditation here for the mental focus to calm in the mind and the promoting for the healing part. And I'll teach you about the philosophy aspect here. So philosophy and the spiritual counseling here. So you can counseling your counsel to the client and calm down their, you know, inner chatter. We said that money is the monkey mind. So you have to stop their, anxiety and the depression with the help of the, spiritual counseling, mantra chanting, bhajan, kind of the kirtan for the sound therapy. I'll teach you how to do use the sound bowl for the client. We can learn the relaxation techniques from the module. I'll teach you something different types of the matter for the reduce the stress and promote the deep resting procedure. Lifestyle changes for the advice on the nutritions, some kind of the basic one diet I'll provide you, something healthy diet, healthy routine, ahar vihar vichar and the pathya and the apatya ahar as per the ayurveda principle. So basically the goal of the yoga therapy is to encourage overall well-being while addressing to specific the alignment, right? And guys, this is the not a normal one classes, when you go for the yoga therapy classes, you have to look about the anatomy also. Without anatomy, therapy classes not happen, everybody. Okay, so I'll teach you the musculatory part here, something physiological conditions here, something anabolic anabolic system for the digestion part, something cardiac part. I'll teach you how to cover for the patients and the client for that. Okay, so, what is the benefit of the yoga therapy classes? Basically, you can manage the chronic pain of the patient. You can reduce the anxiety and the depression for the patient level and improving the sleep quality. Might be example, someone has the insomnia. So, like which kind of the symptoms facing in the insomnia, Tanya ji? Client को क्या होता है in the insomnia? Might be in the depression.
Mom, the person is generally anxious. He or she is not able to sleep, and like generally there is some worriness always there in the mind. Hence, they are not able to sleep at
Yes,
night.
exactly.
At times, maybe they have some lonely issue also.
Yes, Tanuji. What do you know about the insomnia?
So, ma'am, maybe they have thought process, continued thought process. Because of that, they are not able to sleep.
Hmm.
Depression, stress.
Exactly. So, when we have to improve this with sleep quality about the client part, I'll teach you the something, very advanced technique from the breathing, kind of the, kukur kriya. We call says that the dog breathing, lion roaring breathing. We says that I'll teach you something mudras. I'll teach you some affirmation line. So you can just do providing this kind of the designing and the blueprint to your patient, and you can cure without the meditation. So there are no side effect about the therapy classes here. So therapy class is promoting the better posture and the flexibility also. So better posture, let's take the one example, guys. So are you hearing about the some three diseases about the spinal one: kyphosis, lordosis, and the
Yes,
scoliosis. So this is the curvature disorder about the this one, normal one part. So if you want to cure this kind of the chronic disorder, so you have to provide the something balancing asana to the patient. So you have to use the something prop. So guys, I have the lots of props here. I'll just introduce. We can use in the therapy classes. Just a minute. I'll introduce to you. So our first prop is the yoga mat, as well as every personality is the yoga teacher here. So we have to use the yoga chair here, yoga blocks for the balancing part, for the prevention before injury and all that. I'll teach you the ball exercise practice for the core activity. Those who have to want to core, build up the muscles and all that. And Bloster also we have to using in the therapy classes. This is the Bloster. Okay. So I teach you different uses in yoga posture. You can use it, Mm. Okay, sir. Not an issue. And my most probably this one tool is mandatory for the back bending. This is the wooden stool I'm using in the back bending, guys. Someone has the problem about the calf. Someone has a problem about the quad part. Someone has the pelvic opening issues. So I'm using this type of the stool in my therapy classes also. So you have to arrange these kind of the props in your practice. Okay, got it, everybody? This is my
If
first
we
request.
don't have that stool, then what we should do? Any other alternatives for that stool?
Which one? Like a stool one or
Stool,
any other?
stool.
Okay. So if you do not have the stool, then you can use the sofa, bed, any kind of the you can use it, right? Also, we can use the wall also by the
Hmm.
standing position. So not a issue about the prop height, right? Huh? Belt and rope. Just we are not using the rope. We are using the belt here because rope is वो paste किया होता है wall पर. So online the rope practice is very risky. So apart from the rope, I teach you each and every prop here. Apart also the yoga wheel, right? Chalo. Let me share the slide here now. Okay, the screen is visible, Lakshmi ji. Let me know thumb sign. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. So, guys, I'll teach you this kind of the advanced technique, and you have to learn every day. Okay, so half part for the theoretical portion and half part for the practical portion. So every day practical happen here, right? Now we have to learn about the principle and the mechanism of the yoga therapy for the physical health also, and for the mental and the emotional health also. Here is the something pictography about the principle and the mechanism of the yoga therapy. So if you go for the physical health, so when you do the asana posture, improve the flexibility, strength, and the balance. When you go for the breathing technique, means pranayama, so regulate the autonomic nervous system. When you go for the therapeutic touch and use the asana in the pranayama, so release the muscular tension and the promote relaxation, and all things we have to cover up in the practical part. I'll teach you about something natural therapy exercises. We can do the Panchamahabhuta meditation, guys. So our body is made from the Panchamahabhuta. So let me name of the Panchamahabhuta, guys. We have the five elements. So if you are the yoga personality, just let me know the name about the Panchamahabhuta.
Fire, air,
Fire.
vayu,
Water,
Yes.
earth,
Mm-hmm.
ether.
It.
ether.
Yes. And the Panchkosha. We have the Panchkosha also.
अन्नमय प्राणमय मनोमय विज्ञानमय आनंदमय.
Yes. Guys, ये like something है ना बहुत disturbance आ रहा है. You can use your chat box, guys. You can use your chat box. Let's made something disturbance for the each and everybody. Use your chat box, guys. We have the Panchkoshas. Someone says that Anandmay Kosha. Yes, the fire, water, air, earth, and Annamay. Yeah, Swati ji says that. But what about the koshas, ma'am? We have the five kosha. Yes, Annamay, Pranamay, then Dhyanamay, Vijnanamay. Last one, Anandamay, liberation. So I'll teach you the meditation about the Panchakosha also. Five Bhutas also. Then third one, seven chakra healing also. Then other new one technique. You can learn the walking meditation here. We say that niti niti meditation. I'll teach you, in the anxiety practice and all that. Yes, exactly, sir. Thank you so much, everybody, for using this chat box and sharing your knowledge with me. Just a minute, I'll share the first one slide now. So I'll teach you about the Panchakosha Pranadhyan, five elements, activation and all that, seven chakras healing here with the mudra and all that. And I'll teach you about you can gain the spiritual benefit from the yoga therapy also, right? Here's the some expect I'll teach you something, therapeutical poses about the kids. Guys, some kids has the autism about the, speech therapy, something autism, kind of the lots of things there by the born or might be after some time. So apart from this disorder, I teach you some techniques you can treat your, patient if you have this kind of the problem with your kids or might be something clients kids. So you can take on the class about the disorder also. Basically autism and the speech therapy with the help of the props. Here is the props, guys. You can manage this kind of the props. So from tomorrow, you have to arrange the bloster, one thin pillow, two pair of the blocks, belt, something yoga mat, blanket and all that. You have to arrange in the practical class, right? This is the list. And here is the practical approach how the yoga therapy classes happen in the studio, guys. This lady has the problem about the gastric part, so she performed the supta vajrasan with the help of the bloster, and some lady has taken the support, so this is the therapeutic class. This is designing class. So rope for the shoulder opening, plaster for the back support, chair for the support of the back bending. She has a knee problem also. Might be she has a softened patella. So see here, the person using the blanket. So if someone has a knee problem, so we have to use the blanket also. We have to put the blanket and put it in the softened part on the this one blanket, and she performed the Supta Vajrasana with the help of the bloster. Right? Got it? I'll teach you this kind of the techniques in the practical. So don't skip the class, huh? Every day you have to attain. Here is the role of the yoga props in the therapeutical part. So here is this tool. I'm using these kind of the tools in my classes, and I'll treat my patient also, and my patient gain lots of benefits from my therapy technique also. So she performed the Virbhadrasana 3, but might be she has an imbalance in posture, right? Tilting pelvic uska tilting हो चुका है, तो she is using this tool, mat, blocks, bloster, pillow, this one yoga belt here. So we have to arrange this kind of the things. Okay, if someone has this kind of the किसी के पास नहीं होते props, तो don't worry about that. Okay, we have the plan B also regarding the prop, how I can use the other one props also, right? The other thing is naturopathy and the yoga. So I'll combine something naturopathy remedies with the yoga therapy. I'll teach you about the some herbs. So you can prescribe the herbs to your client also. Best example, ashwagandha and the shatavari. Okay. So someone has a female problem regarding the uterus. Might be PCOS, PCOD, infertility, or might be, PMS, premenstruation disorder. So in this portion, she is using the shatavari for the woman wellness. तो कितना लेना है कितना नहीं लेना है उतना ग्राम में आपको मैं सिखाऊंगी इन द हब्स पार्ट, राइट? Here is the personalized approach to fitness with the naturopathy and the yoga. So you can combine the yoga therapy, you can combine the asana practice, you can combine the mudra practice, you can combine the healing approach, panchakosha meditation, sapta means seven chakra meditations here. Something my remedies I'll provide you. You can use for your client and your patient with the help of the props, without medicine, okay, without any kind of the side effect. So what is our course benefit, guys? So this course is internationally recognized, and we affiliate with the US Alliance also, and we affiliate with the Ayush Mantralaya also. So there are no eligibility requirement here, and the certification is a lifetime valid. Okay, and after the certification, you can start your practice as the yoga therapist. Whenever you want the support from our admin team, you may contact them. Okay, and after the complete the course, you will get the soft and the hard copy. Soft copy you can getting from our site on the WhatsApp group, those who are already adding in the group, and the hard copy we will dispatch after the certification. Got it, everybody? And each and every PDF will be shared with my knowledge in the WhatsApp group. So those who are already taken the admission, welcome guys, and those who are waiting, to please jaldi se admission le lo. Just little bit hurry and do the admission in my class. Okay. So what benefits will you get by doing this course, and how can you earn the income after doing the course? So become our training associated yoga center. If you want to open your center also, so you can contact with the admin team also, right? If you have your own studio, so you can elaborate with us, you can contact with us. So after doing this, you can take your online and the offline classes, for which we always supporting you. If you want to SYF, means Shubha Yoga franchisee, you have to contact the admin team. Start your own classes, workshop. After the certification, if you want to organize a workshop regarding the specific woman wellness program, might be something, high BP low BP program in the something corporate, you want to go for the corporate events, you can contact me. I can help you in the future. Okay, so don't worry about that. In future you can message me anytime, I'll here. And you can run your own your training courses also. So here is the thing, everybody. And this is the certificate, which kind of the certificate you will get for your student, with your logo and the name. So here is the logo, our Shubha Yoga Foundation. So might be some old student have the idea which kind of the format we are using for the certification, right? And everything you can just taken from me. PDF I'm sharing. I'm sharing each and everything knowledge from my side in the WhatsApp group. Yes, Ruchi ji. What's your question?
Um, I want to know what's the course duration and what is the course fee?
Ma'am, the course duration is the 30 days, 1 month, and the timing is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. every day. And Monday to Friday class be take, conduct from my side, right? And
Fee,
recording providing by every day.
ma'am, what will be the course fee?
Ma'am, course fee have to contact to the admin team.
Okay.
Okay. Now everyone, each and everyone has the questions, please let me know in the chat box. If you have the questions about the curriculum, timing, or might be something issues, just use your chat box, or might be use your digital hand, guys.
Ma'am, we
Okay,
have
can I speak?
one slot only to 9.
Tanush, your voice is breakable.
Can I speak?
एक
Ha
ही
ha,
बैच
please,
है
please.
मैम, 8 से 9.
Ma'am, I'm conducting the classes. Zoom use,
Okay,
I'm conducting the classes, right?
okay.
Yes.
As you said, you will be taking meditation classes, and you said about the sound healing.
Ha, sound healing, some I'm using the one sound bowl. I'll teach you your means
Yeah,
you
like
can use the
Buddha
sound
bowl,
bowl on the therapy classes. Yes.
that
Smaller
Buddha
one.
bowl.
Ha.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
So you'll be teaching how to use those
Yes,
uh,
exactly.
bowls. Apart from bowls, you will be teaching any other things?
How to use the props and all that, how to use something if someone has the not having the yoga chair. So apart from the yoga chair, you can use
No,
the,
I'm talking about the meditation. meditation, those who have the anxiety issues,
Hmm.
depression, like that.
Okay. So for the anxiety issue, I'll teach you about the meditation, about the I have the 12 types of the meditation. So you have to just wait
Mhm.
for that time, you know?
Okay,
Just count
okay,
everything. 12 types of the technique method I have regarding the meditation.
okay.
Yes, ma'am. Perimonopause and the perimonopause will be covering the curriculum. Now, everybody. Poonam ji, perimenopause and menopause will be covering in the woman wellness program, right? Now, guys, I have the one or two
Thank
minutes
you.
more. So, guys, it's already 8:56. Still, if you have the problem regarding the fees, curriculum, and all that, you can contact with the admin team, right? And from tomorrow or might be on the Monday onwards, our classes will be going on. And welcome to the Shubha Yoga again. From my side, I'm welcome to you and I'm waiting for you. Okay, and just how you enjoy or not, just let me know by the this emojis, guys. Use your emojis and spread the love to the yoga community. Thank you so much, Tanya ji. Thank you so much, everybody.
Ma'am,
Yes,
is this a government certified course?
yes. This is we are Shubha Yoga is affiliated with the Ayush Mantralaya, na ma'am. So this certification is valid for the India one also and the international also. आप कहीं पे भी इसको use कर सकते हो.
नहीं, जैसे यहाँ पे सिविल हॉस्पिटल है, कोई हॉस्पिटल में हमें वर्क करना हो तो फिर ये सर्टिफिकेट चलेगा?
हाँ चलेगा मैडम चलेगा. But still, if you have the confusion, na, so you have to just contact with the admin team, right? Because some
Because
government have the some rules and regulation about these certifications and also. So we have to look about that. I have to ask about the admin team regarding this
हाँ,
government issues because government has lots of बहुत सारी योजनाएं होती है तो we have to look about that because they have to use the terms and condition.
एज मैंने बोधि स्कूल ऑफ योगा से 200 आवर्स, 300 आवर्स, 500 आवर्स वो सब किया हुआ है।
हम्म.
एंड मैं जॉब के लिए गई सिविल में तो उन्होंने ना बोला, बोले कि ये सर्टिफिकेट नहीं चलेगा,
हम्म.
आपको डिप्लोमा इन योगा करना पड़ेगा, वो भी गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज से, देन यू कैन कम हियर।
Okay.
सो दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज आस्किंग।
हाँ यस पूनम जी दिस योगा सर्टिफिकेट इज वर्किंग ओवरऑल वर्ल्ड कहीं पे भी चलेगा इज वर्किंग इज ग्लोबली. Tanuji, I have to ask to the admin team about your issues, right? Just give me some time and I'll elaborate this kind of the issues in the next session, right? Just give me some time.
थैंक यू मैम।
Okay, thank you so much. Chalo guys, let's stop the webinar here. Thank you so much everybody for joining my webinar. Welcome to the Shubha Yoga once again and I'll wait for you in the yoga therapy classes. Thank you so much everybody. And good night everybody. Goodbye. Happy weekend from my side. Spend your time with your loved ones. Bye bye everybody. Thank you so much. Good night. Hari Om.